This will be an introduction to the menu editor. When you want to select a menu, you're going to hit the menu editor or menu manager and then select the menu you want to edit. We'll quickly go over the menu editor compared to, on the right hand side, the actual mobile app that the customers would see. Flashing right now is the categories, and this is going to correlate with the categories on top of the mobile app, as well as the item's name, correlate with the item name on the map app, and the description of the item and the description shown on the app. And lastly, the price, and that's what will correlate. So any of those changes would be seen through that app like that. We have three options that you can select: available, alcohol, and beverage. The first one is the item available? If the firecracker burger is no longer available, you would select the available to gray, which would show the unavailable on the mobile app. Is alcohol, when selected, will prompt the customer to ensure that they do have their ID on them. And is beverage is if you are selected to a Epson or Star printer. Please see support for more information on that. The next is the delete button. If you require to delete an item, just quickly select delete. And the last thing is the edit menu options, which we'll discuss in further in a moment. So we're going to go over the three options within the menu option editor. The first one is showing what options are selected for that specific item. These are the options that are selected, and that is showing you what you are currently editing for. Currently we're editing for the Beyond Meat Burger, and the selected options are sides. We have the second option of creating a new menu option. Selected there, that whole section. And then you can edit menu options in the bottom half, which we'll go over in further. So quickly, what we're going to do is we're going to add a new menu option. So you want to select the menu title. So we've selected add-ons, option ID, the top there, and then the checkboxes which are selected for the add-ons, which is the bacon, cheese, and toasted. Those are your two options. Is the item required? If you select yes, they cannot add to cart until they select one of those items. Limit selection. If you have 0, it means they have unlimited amount of selections. For instance, if you only allow them to choose one of the three options, you would just put 1 in there. The next shows the options that you're adding, so bacon, cheese, and toasted, as well as the price. The yellow also means available or not available. That will come into play when we edit menu options. You can add more options by pressing the plus button. And once you're done that, you create menu option. You'll go up to the selected options, select the drop down, select the new option you've wanted, and then click add option. Lastly, the edit menu option. What you're going to do is you're going to select what option you want to be edited. So today we're going to edit the add-ons. You can go from changing the option title, option ID, the option type, so checkbox or drop downs. If it's required, limit selections, and you can also change the name, price, and availability. Pretty much just like the new menu option, but you're just changing things within it. Once you hit save, whatever that menu item is selected to, say for instance we have it for the Beyond Meat Burger, but if we have it for other selections, it will also change accordingly. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to edit a category. By selecting edit category, you're going to notice there's the ordering. So basically what comes first and what shows last, the title of each category,
availability is used if your restaurant is doing reservations.
and then the edit schedule.
By selecting edit schedule, you'll be able to select the schedules for specific days. For example, on Monday, if you just check the box and leave dashed lines, that means that that category will show all times that you are open. And if you select it like Wednesday, where you select the time, that category will only be shown for that specific time.